Have you ever stopped for a moment and thought, how come we don't feel anything, even though Earth spins super fast? We stand, sit, and sleep peacefully, as if the planet is still. In reality, however, we're hurtling thousands of kilometers per hour through space. Strange, yet true. This is where the story of this unique fact begins. Have you ever thought about it? The Earth spins super fast, yet we can just sit, walk, and even sleep calmly. No dizziness, no non-stop strong wind. Logically, we should all be thrown off. In fact, the Earth rotates at about 1,670 km per hour at the equator. That's faster than a jet plane. But strangely, our lives are just normal. How is that possible? Well, the answer isn't as simple as because we're used to it. Imagine you're in a car moving at high speed. As long as the car is stable and the ride is smooth, you can sit comfortably without feeling that extreme speed. Well, the Earth is roughly like that super stable vehicle. We rotate along with the Earth, its atmosphere, oceans, mountains, and everything on it. Because everything moves at the same speed, our bodies don't sense any change in motion. Problems usually arise when there is sudden acceleration or deceleration. For example, when a car brakes suddenly, your body is pushed forward. But the Earth's rotation is constant. It doesn't suddenly speed up or stop. Furthermore, gravity plays an important role. Gravity sticks us to the Earth's surface. So even though the Earth spins fast, we remain safe, not flung into space like in sci-fi movies. Some people also think, if the Earth spins, shouldn't the wind be crazy? Well, the atmosphere also spins along with the Earth, so the wind we feel is just due to differences in air pressure, not a direct effect of the Earth's spin. If the Earth suddenly stopped spinning, that's when major problems would arise. Oceans could sweep across land, super strong winds would appear, and human life would most likely end. Luckily, that's just an extreme theory. The human body is also smart at adapting. Our balance system works based on changes in motion, not constant motion. Because the Earth's rotation has been stable since we were born, our brains consider it the normal condition. That's why we only feel dizzy when riding spinning rides that are unstable. It's not because of the spinning itself, but because of the changes in speed and direction that confuse the brain in reading body signals. Interestingly, scientists can prove the Earth spins without having to feel it. One way is through Foucault's pendulum, a simple tool that shows the Earth's direction of rotation slowly but surely. At the Earth's poles, the rotational speed is much slower than at the equator. But still, people there don't feel the Earth spinning. Again, it's because everything moves together as one system. So, it doesn't mean the Earth is still just because we don't feel it. It's like you don't feel the Earth revolving around the Sun, even though its speed is much crazier. The Earth orbits the Sun at about 107,000 km per hour, and we can still relax and drink coffee. When you think about it, living in this universe is absurd but cool. Physics teaches one important thing: relative motion. We always measure motion based on something else. Because we and the Earth are one package, our brains don't have a reference point to feel that rotation. If one day you could stand in outer space and watch the Earth spin from afar, it would become clearly visible. But as long as you're on it, it feels just normal. This is also why people in ancient times once believed the Earth was still. Without technology and an understanding of physics, it's natural they believed the Sun spun around us. Fortunately, science keeps evolving. Now we know that feeling of stillness is just an illusion from a system that has been moving very stably and consistently for billions of years. But the question isn't over. If we can't feel the Earth's rotation, are there small effects that actually influence our lives without us realizing? In the next story, we'll uncover the hidden effects of Earth's rotation, from the planet's not perfectly round shape to the direction of ocean currents and winds. It turns out, this rotation secretly governs our lives. In the previous story, we learned the Earth spins but feels still. Now for the exciting part. Even though we can't feel it, Earth's rotation secretly has a huge impact on our daily lives. First, Earth's shape isn't perfectly round. Because it spins, the equator bulges slightly. This is called oblateness. So Earth is a bit flattened, not a perfect ball. The rotational effect also makes gravity at the equator slightly weaker than at the poles. The difference is tiny, but scientifically real. Your weight at the equator could be a bit lighter. Then there's the Coriolis effect. This makes wind and ocean currents deflect, not flow straight. Without this effect, Earth's weather patterns would be chaotic and hard to predict. Hurricanes, storms, and major ocean currents all obey Earth's rotation. So even though we don't feel the spin, extreme weather clearly feels its impact. That's why storms in the northern and southern hemisphere spin in opposite directions. It's not a coincidence, but a direct result of Earth's consistent rotation over billions of years. Earth's rotation also creates day and night. If Earth didn't spin, one side would be perpetually hot, the other extremely cold. Life as we know it would be nearly impossible. Imagine one place in permanent daylight, scorching hot, another in permanent darkness, frozen. Earth's rotation makes temperatures more even and Earth friendly for life. Even human sleep rhythms, or biological clocks, are tuned by Earth's rotation. Our bodies are accustomed to the cycle of light and dark every approximately 24 hours. That's why when you have jet lag, it's not just fatigue. Your biological clock is confused because Earth's rotation remains the same, but your position changed too quickly. Modern technology also depends on the fact that Earth spins. Satellites, GPS, and navigation systems must account for Earth's rotation to give accurate results. If Earth's rotation is ignored, GPS positions could be way off. You might intend to go to a friend's house and end up lost in a rice field or the ocean. Interestingly, Earth's rotational speed hasn't always been constant throughout history. Long ago, a day was shorter than it is now. Gradually, Earth's spin has slowed down. One cause is the moon's gravitational pull. The moon breaks. Earth's rotation little by little. The effect is small, but over millions of years, the result is significant. Because of this, scientists sometimes add a leap second to world time. Just one extra second, but it's crucial to keep time synchronized with Earth's rotation. So, the time we use every day is actually a compromise between super-precise atomic clocks and Earth's imperfect rotation. Funnily enough, we live on a super-fast planet, but feel still. This is proof of how stable and smooth the universe's system we inhabit is. If you ever feel life is too monotonous, remember one thing. You're currently hurtling thousands of kilometers per hour around Earth's axis without realizing it. We don't feel Earth's rotation not because it's slow, but because the universe is too neat and consistent for the human body to perceive it. So next time you stand casually looking at the sky, remember, you're hitching a ride on a super-fast spinning planet. Don't worry, everything's safe, because science maintains the balance. And if you like stories like this or are interested in similar topics, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. By subscribing, you won't miss out on other exciting content. In the next video, there will be an even more interesting topic. It could be more mysterious, more entertaining, or even more surprising than you imagined. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Likes and comments also help this channel grow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.